Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you Deepseek AI versus ChatGPT. So this is a simple and easy guide on Deepseek AI versus ChatGPT. So like ChatGPT, Deepseek AI is a technology company or platform that leverages artificial intelligence for advanced data exploration and analysis. Okay, so the difference between DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT lies in their core functionalities, purposes, and use cases. So as you can see here, I'm using the ChatGPT basic version. Okay, so let's talk about registration or signing up. Also, I'm using the basic version. I want to use the basic version of DeepSeek. To start, you just have to click the start now. And here it is. Now you can log in using your email and password, or you can also log in using your Google account. However, if I go to ChatGPT and tap register, I think it's easier for you to create one because what you're going to do here is you can connect your Google, Microsoft account, or Apple account. But when it comes to signing up in DeepSeek, I can only see a few options, or I guess it just needs your email address, password, okay, code that they will send to your email address, paste it here, and then create an account. As compared to ChatGPT, you can create account or your account by just connecting to any of those platforms. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I need to go to my Gmail account. I need to copy the code, paste it right here, confirm, sign up, and I have the basic version of the DeepSeek. As compared to ChatGPT, I can just simply connect it to my Google account. And then here it is. I have my new account here on ChatGPT. Now let's talk about the interfaces of DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT differ significantly, reflecting their distinct functionalities and use cases. So, as you can see, DeepSeek AI is generally designed for data analysis and business intelligence. So, its interface is usually more technical, featuring tools to interact with large datasets, visualizations, and predictive models. As compared to ChatGPT's interface is centered around conversational interaction and natural language, focusing on text and input, which I'm going to show you later. So it's more unlike asking for prompts or demands or asking questions to start conversation. Okay, now going back to DeepSeek, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click this one, DeepSeek R1. So with DeepSeek, you can just start asking anything here, add a link or a document or image, then DeepSeek will extract. Also, same thing with ChatGPT, you can start a conversation, no need for any slash command, something like you can ask directly and then, enter, tap this arrow facing up, and then you will get the answer. And it's up to you if you want to elaborate or ask more. Okay, so for example, this one right here, I asked DeepSeek about this question. And as you can see, this is how DeepSeek answer a certain question. Basically, you can see here that DeepSeek answer questions primarily through data-driven analysis, as you can see it right here, rather than conversational methods like ChatGPT. So that's the difference. As you can see here, you will see the question type, the data input. You will see here processing and analysis, generating answer. Also, DeepSeek AI, is more on like running analytical models. You will see here predictive models, descriptive analysis, anomaly detection. So in short, it's a more on like providing answers with data visualization. However, there is this one limitation. So a potential limitation of DeepSeek AI, as what I mentioned, is that it may not be able to generate images in the way that platforms like ChatGPT or other AI models specifically designed for creative or visual generation. DeepSeek AI's strength lies in data-driven analysis, such as predicting trends, performing statistical analysis, or finding patterns in datasets, which is of course different from other AIs. However, DeepSeek is good at extracting data from files, which is one of its strengths. Also, ChatGPT is good at extracting files. Now, the difference is that I observe ChatGPT compared to DeepSeek is, on the other hand, primarily designed for conversational AI and excels in natural language processing. While it can assist with simple file extractions, it isn't purpose built for handling structured data extraction on the scale that Deepseek AI is. So, Deepseek AI is specialized for data extraction. You can notice the result, and this is the example of the file. Well, as for summary for extracting data, in short, DeepSeek AI is better for extracting structured and unstructured data from files in an efficient, automated, and analytical way, especially for large scale operations like data mining, file parsing, and business analytics. However, ChatGPT is better for natural language processing, summarizing text from documents, PDF, answering questions, and conversational use cases. So you know which one you're going to use if you want to extract data mining, file parsing, or business analytics. And if you just want to extract some documents or not just so heavy files or structured data sets, you can use ChatGPT. But if you have these data heavy files or structured data sets, then DeepSeek AI is the better choice. But if you're looking for text based extraction and more conversational or natural language processing, go for ChatGPT. Now, like what I've mentioned earlier, ChatGPT can generate image compared to DeepSeek AI. In DeepSeek AI, I also struggled opening this PDF because maybe the file is not that too heavy to extract. Now, I'm going to show you the difference of how DeepSeek AI answers a simple question like this. How many R's are there in the word carry berry or carry forwards? Okay, let's just say carry forwards. Enter. And like what I've mentioned earlier, when it comes to answering question, DeepSeek AI can even be useful for answering short questions like this one, especially if the data needs to be processed and contained in a file or structured data set. This is the sample. You can see here how it works. For example, data extraction, pattern recognition, simple queries. Okay, as compared to ChatGPT, which I'm going to show you later, ChatGPT will just answer you right away. As you can see, this is how DeepSeek AI answers you. At the end, there are 4 R's in this word. Now, I'm going to ask ChatGPT with the same question. How many R's are there in the word carry forward? And as you can see, very straightforward. There are 4 R's in the word carry forwards. So as you can see, there is a vast difference when it comes to answering a question. And in summary, for a simple data retrieval question like how many R's in carry forward, you can just simply ask ChatGPT. But if you want a data heavy structured extraction where simple retrieval tasks are required, then you can use DeepSeek AI. Okay, so this is how DeepSeek AI answers for simple questions like that. But if you need if you need answers like this, then you know which one you're going to use. Of course, DeepSeek AI. But if you're just looking for like simple, for example, this one, can you create a children's story? Can you create a horror film, story, script, something like that, I bet you would rather choose ChatGPT because with ChatGPT you can ask to elaborate more. So you can see ChatGPT also provide title as compared to DeepSeek AI. But as a conclusion, if you're looking to let me repeat, or extract data for story ideas, well, DeepSeek AI may be useful for data driven insights. But if you want to generate new creative stories from scratch, which are with details, plot development, and dynamic characters, ChatGPT is far superior due to its specialized capabilities in natural language generation and creative writing. But it's not also bad to use DeepSeek AI. Now, for asking images or generating images, like what I mentioned earlier, DeepSeek AI cannot generate images, but it can generate prompts, which we're going to use. For example, if you want to use this prompt, use and go to Leonardo AI and then paste in this prompt, you can generate an image. But in the DeepSeek itself, it can't. As compared to ChatGPT, I just ask for, provide an image for this part, and then ChatGPT generate these pictures. And as you can see, there is a huge difference when it comes to generating pictures, as you can just basically do it inside ChatGPT's platform. And Deepseek, you need another platform to generate images, but Deepseek can provide you prompts for that picture or for that image. So, in short, ChatGPT, if you want to create original stories with creativity, plot development, characters, and dialogue, just choose ChatGPT. But if you're looking to analyze data or extract information from existing stories, documents, or large data sets, use DeepSeek AI. The pricing between DeepSeek AI and ChatGPT can vary significantly as each tool serves different purposes and has different pricing models. For ChatGPT, you can use free plan. It offers access to ChatGPT 3.5 with basic features suitable for casual or personal use. ChatGPT Plus costs around this kind of amount and give access to ChatGPT 4. And ChatGPT also has this enterprise custom plans. While for DeepSeek AI pricing, pricing for DeepSeek's is pay per use model depending on a specific service and such a data extraction, file handling, or analysis. So probably you can see it right here, the difference. And DeepSeek may have more variable pricing depending on the type of service you're using as compared to ChatGPT. So, in essence, ChatGPT tends to have clearer, standardized pricing, while DeepSeek AI might involve more customized pricing based on its data focused services. Okay, so yeah, that's it. This is just a short information about DeepSeek AI versus ChatGPT. So at least you know already what type of AI, which AI you're going to use. Okay, so as a conclusion, use ChatGPT if you need creative tasks like generating stories, dialogues, or interactive content. It excels at writing and conversation. Use DeepSeek AI if you need data analysis, pattern recognition, or information extraction from structured datasets or documents. As easy as that. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.